Phyllis.
And I'm Mike, and we're both retired.
When we first started getting TK, we would cook our meal and then we'd sit down to eat and enjoy it. And we would take a picture of it to share with our family or friends because
we did.
We were proud of what looked so good that we had prepared and so healthy and up to date, the menu. So it was something we were proud of when we finished, especially in the early days. We were just learning. We were proud that we were able to do this and be happily eating in a half hour.
You know, that's the other thing, truly, when you're retired. I mean, you can get also into a niche where, okay, where do you want to go? What pub do you want to go to tonight? Or you want to run out and do some fast food? I really think that this approach keeps us eating healthy, you know, more consistently.
I'm not a gourmet cook like a lot of people, but it makes me have a lot of confidence in my cooking that I have this help from Terra's Kitchen.
Yeah, I always give her a thumbs up after Terra Kitchen's meal. Well, good. I appreciate you taking the time with us and teaching us how to use some of this techie stuff.